Yo, what is going on, everybody? Back here with another cooking video, and we are not making HelloFresh, so that's absolutely awesome. But I'm going to flip this camera around and show you guys what it is that I am about to make. Something awesome. Alright, guys, so I got my white corn going here. It's almost done. Got some baked beans over here. We got 2 New York strips. We got some ribeye. And then I got another big beefy one here. And as you see back here, what are we doing with that Kerrygold's butter? Well, I'll show you guys that here in a minute. I'm gonna get the steaks all seasoned up and ready to go because I'm just me solo right in a minute. Tiffany's doing some schoolwork, and I'm gonna get these steaks ready for the grill. And we'll come back and I'll let you know what I'm doing with this, because this has been imported for all your meaty needs when it comes to steak. Alright guys, so we're out here. Got my Kerrygold's butter. Got my steak, it's all seasoned. This is up nice and high. So we're gonna get it open there. So what we're doing is taking the steak and we're just gonna roll it in this butter. Okay? I'm just gonna place it on there. Look at that. Oh, I forgot to turn the heat all the way down. Definitely want to turn your heat all the way down, because butter is flammable. So I'm gonna get these on here. And you want to make sure you get dripping down. I'm gonna get all these on here. Come over. And Tiffany has an assignment due on Monday that she didn't know about. That's Cameron's steak. Large, right? No. Hey, you want to hold this for me?
Alright.
Yeah, this is a lot easier when there's 2 people and it's not just me doing it. Schoolwork to do. So I'm gonna get Cameron's big ass steak here. Your Kerrygold's butter is gonna give you a lot.
It's very flavorful.
Of extra flavor. So you just gotta be careful because butter's very flammable. So see, look at these grill lines I'm getting already. That's awesome. So what we're gonna do is got this grill line. So I'm just gonna take this and shift it. Shift it. Yep. That one's ready. And we're just gonna put it down here on an angle, and that's gonna give you a nice grill line. See how I kind of dropped this big end already down? So we're going to let that go. Actually, this is probably going to be like medium to medium rare. I don't know how we eat steak. Tiffany, she eats her steak not moving, dead, brown, curled up into a hockey puck. I think that's kind of disgusting. I like mine more of a medium well, but I can do medium to medium well. But it grosses up my wife, so I can't eat it around her. So we're going to cook these steaks. And what we're going to cook these steaks, you guys seen the corn that was in there. I'm going to make some badass street corn here too.
Yum.
And that's going to be amazing. So we're going to do these steaks. And I'm going to do the street corn. So I'm going to let these cook and I'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back out here. Look at these. These are almost done. Nice grill marks on them, nice sears. Look at that. That looks beautiful. So I'm going to close this and let's go make some corn. Oh, and you guys are probably asking what seasonings I put on there. Just salt, pepper, maybe some onion powder, nothing too fancy, and Kerrygold's butter, which makes one hell of a difference. So let's go in the house. There's Izzy, just being Izzy, and make some corn. Alright guys, so here we got some Lord Extrema, real milk, and then Duke's mayonnaise. This is the only mayonnaise you should ever buy. Don't buy anything else, just buy this, Duke's mayonnaise.
Is that available up north? I've never seen it until we moved down here.
I don't know if it's not available up north. Find out and order it online, because this is not Miracle Whip. This ain't real mayonnaise. This ain't Hellman's. This is Duke's mother mayonnaise.
So what are you making?
What do you mean?
You gotta tell the people what you're doing.
I did.
No, you just
I'll
said
make
you were.
some milk.
Well, what is it for?
Making corn, woman.
Oh.
Shake that up. My bad.
So this is what's gonna get brushed on the corn, and then it gets seasoned and rolled in the cheese.
You just mix it together. This can get brushed onto the corn, seasoned with Lechonas Cogita, Senor. So this is going to be awesome. It's going to taste really good. You just mix it together. And you're just like, yeah, you want to mix it together. That's pretty much it. You roll your corn in that once you've flamed it. I got it foiled over here. But normally what you would do is wrap it in tin foil and let it cook on your grill, or you smoke the corn or whatever for a few hours. That gives it the best taste. But I didn't do that today. I just boiled it, and then I'm going to season it. I'm going to throw it on the grill. If you guys are like, hey, stop, wait a minute, you said season the corn, salt and pepper. Just, that's all you need. If you have a good barbecue seasoning, and then when I say barbecue, it's got to be a barbecue seasoning. That would pretty much really kick it up a notch.
If you have some Mexican seasoning, like a cilantro lime seasoning, would be good too.
That would work too. So we're just going to use salt and pepper. And I'm going to roll that, and then we'll throw that on the grill. We're going to take it off the grill. We're going to butter it up with this, and we're going to roll it into some cheese, and it's going to be amazing. So the steak is almost done. I'm going to go check on that. And Tiffany's going to finish up in here. She's got some broccoli, some beans to whip it up. And then we'll come back when we're all ready. Alright, you guys, so notice the other steak was off. I got the lightly seasoned with vegetable season. I changed it up. We put a small blend of the crema on here. And then we're just going to season it and just let it get a couple grill marks before we take it back in and do our thing. But this is some awesome street corn here. It's a basic recipe. Everything you guys see in this video you can buy at your local Walmart. I definitely recommend it, and I know you guys heard it in the past, but I would invest in some Kerrygold's butter. Somebody out there right now, as I always say, going, no, you're killing it. So we got 2 ribeyes there, and that's a New York back there. Back air. Can y'all guess where I'm from? Back air? Pennsylvania. Alright guys. And close this up so the corn has time to do its thing. Alright. Let's back up. Here, check out this grill. I love this grill. Cuisinart! On the left you got a smoker, on the right you got the grill. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Alright, so here's Tiffany. She's basting up the corn with the crema. Like I said, this is just a quick, easy street corn. You bring it over here to this Cogita cheese. And look at that. Beautiful. It's party time. Take it over here to this big kid over here. Look at his face. He's excited. Say yay!
Butter some what?
Eric,
While we're on video, look, come here. Tortilla.
Codija. It's like jalapenos.
Yeah.
We got our broccoli, our corn, and our steak.
Why don't you cut this?
So guys, that's been another cooking video. That's what's cooking. Steak, street corn, broccoli, baked beans. It's not HelloFresh,
But it's fresh.
but it is fresh. So ladies and gentlemen, to our next video, that's what's cooking.